Hey guys, today we're gonna take a trip down memory lane. This is my 2009 Yaris. I've had it for 16 years, had a lot of good memories in it. And today I just wanna share some of those with you. I remember when I first bought the car, I was in college and I really wanted something that was fun, wanted a two-door car, hatchback, manual. And honestly, the Yaris isn't that. It's like an egg on wheels. But once I went online and I saw what people were doing to them, especially in Japan, it really made me fall in love with it, to take a car that is stock and to build it into something that you love. I found a community of people who had the same mindset of turning their stock Toyota Yaris into something that looks like it's gonna fly down the mountain and hug every turn. And I really love just the people who were welcoming at your first car meet. You're rolling in with steel wheels and nothing really particularly cool about your car. Really helpful in just showing me the ropes of what your car can look like in the future if you just put some time, effort, blood and sweat into it, right? As this is my first car that I ever done anything to, it was a lot of trial and error, from the easy stuff of just changing your oil to things like suspension, engine, and learning how to paint. These are all things I didn't know how to do, but I really owe it to this car that I got to learn that kind of skill. There were some cool experiences, like changing out suspension in a parking lot, helping out a friend do his engine swap at a public storage unit. I've been in some crazy journeys with this car. With my car group, we've caravanned down to Reno, Las Vegas, Toyota Fest in Los Angeles. But speaking of the fun, the craziest thing that's ever happened is at night, going on a mountain, really having a blast, spinning out, coming home with 2 spare tires, no bumper, and having spilt Monster Energy drink everywhere. I promise, it smelled like that for a whole year. This car has been through many different seasons with me. Since when I first bought it as a young adult, just trying to figure things out. It was my daily driver, my freedom on wheels, to this was the car that I picked up my wife for our first date. And little did we know, it was the start of a new chapter for the both of us. As time went on, the purpose of the car began to change too. It was no longer just a fun project car, but it helped start my business. I used it to carry supplies, get equipment, haul my tools around. The car itself was actually the main tool that helped me grow. So here we are many years later. The car's older, I'm older. There's been so many awesome memories along the way. So I may be sad that I'm letting it go, but I'm excited that we're gonna get a Tacoma, that my wife and I, we're gonna learn and have so much fun building that thing out. So join us. Yes, we can.